What if you could see exactly what's flying off the shelves on eBay before you even source it, right? So you could see hot selling products. Like we just found this product, $300. You know, this is a high profit product. It's a red eye mask. Another one in 273 carts, 8,000 sold. Not a bad sell price either, especially if you're making this much money. And it all comes down to one tool, and that's going to be Zik Analytics. Now, you can obviously do this without a tool, but with eBay, it's been getting more and more difficult to find those best sellers. It's like eBay's gatekeeping, which is completely fine, but you can just start this trial with $1 and see what it does. Of course, I'm going to show you how to find the best sellers, and there's a link in the description if you're interested, but it goes through all of these different tools. Now, there's so many different tools. I like to just focus on the biggest and the best so you don't have to waste your time. And that way, you, instead of launching a product that has like almost no sales, you know it already has sales, and that way you can speed up your. Now, the first thing that you want to do, and this is my recommendation, is just focus on creating a list of ideas. So you'll see some ideas. I like to focus on senses, like, you know, sight, hearing. What did you hear when you were around today? Did you see anything new? If you were on Instagram or Facebook, did you find any new products that, like, you know, sparked your interest? Just write down stuff that you think could be a potential product. That's just my recommendation, but we're going to go and dive in right here. This is the dashboard. Once you sign up, it's $1 to sign up, and you get access to spying on your eBay competitors, finding your first winning product, finding a hot niche, and all that fun stuff, like utilizing AI. But we're not going to be using dropshipping. We're going to actually find a product. So we're going to click on the product research button right here. And I'm going to go back to my list. And the first thing is going to be red light therapy, right? Actually, it's going to be, let's see, red light therapy is actually on the list. But we're going to be looking at this item right here. And this is actually my grandpa. I said something like this the other day. And he's like, look, I set the dummy dender. And you're like, I was like, what did you just say? And it was a Wi-Fi extender, right? And I was surprised he could even set this up. So he set up a Wi-Fi extender, and it also did, I think, cellular data. So what you can do is go to product research right here, and then you can just type in like Wi-Fi extender and just click enter. And then what you're going to see is you're going to see the sell-through. And if the sell-through is above 1,000, you're looking at a pretty good item, like it has a solid amount of demand, the amount of listings, sold, sales, right? And here's the big thing is right over here to the left, you can actually see the top sellers, and you can see somebody is dominating the market by 40%. So we're probably going to be seeing a lot of his items or her items, and that's going to be a good place to start, because if they're dominating by 40%, if you could just have some of the items that are like theirs, maybe $1 cheaper, seems like you'll make a significant amount of money. Now let's scroll down. We're going to see right out of the gate, look at this Wi-Fi range extender repeater, about 800 sold in the last 30 days with 9,000 sold altogether. And there's the price. And we can actually open this up. And I'm going to scroll down, open up another one. And it even says if there's any warning. It also shows you who the seller is right here. If they're from China, this one's from China. Is there any high ticket one? Okay, this one's actually a little bit more expensive. So I'm trying to find something more expensive. This one's $26. Oh, here we go. $45.99. Now we got 3 different items that we can kind of look at right off the gate. All we did is type in Wi-Fi extender. Now we can see profitable products that we could potentially launch, and also the competitors to see if it's really competitive. But obviously we want to try to sell something that's going to make us a significant amount of money, at least 30% profit margin or more. And having an item like this is probably going to be better. Something that's $26. Okay, this one was actually TP. So of course, if you get the name brand, now you can sell it for a premium, and you can see 30 sold, $45.99, which is incredible. So can't complain with that. That's another option. Now for the second item, of course, we go back to our list. And as a kid, I always wanted night vision goggles. Now I just had this funny idea of somebody with night vision goggles stealing a cake. I don't know, something a kid would do. But here he is with his night vision goggles. So I'm like, hey, maybe it's still trending. So we go back to product research, and then we can go through the list again. And let's go to product research together. Next, infrared. What is it? Night vision. I'm just going to type in night vision, right? When you're doing this, you do want to just type in more broad. Now, this only has 600% sell-through, which is pretty good. Again, if you can shoot for something above 1,000, it's a lot easier to make money because there's a huge demand. So scrolling down, and again, we can kind of see some items right here wow, this is brand new, but it's too cheap. You see the sell price right here, $9. I'm not liking that. $129, high ticket item right here. We're $500, high ticket item. $137, high ticket item. There's some high ticket items here, and we'll go with some sunglasses. Now I can kind of go back and change the category and put in night vision goggles or whatever, but it's cool to see these types of items that are selling for a significant amount of money. It just looks like a Furion. It doesn't even sound like a real brand name. So they're making seem like a brand name. Doesn't seem like it. Wow. And 57 carts. People want this type of stuff. Oh, you just hold it? I guess it's like a portable one for hunting. Beautiful. I love that. This looks souped up. I've never tried one of these. A little handheld. Again, this is just like it's for hunting. And then there's special glasses that obviously are not night vision because they don't have any power to it. But people are still buying them. So again, another cool niche. This is just insane. 185 sold. So what you could do is also copy his name or her name and then copy it into the Zik Analytics and then kind of go backwards from there. And of course, at the gym, everybody's been talking about, have you tried light therapy? I was like, what, light there? Like looking at the light, and they're like, oh no, red light therapy. So this is like the new trend. Obviously, it was in the top of my mind. Just wrote that down on the list. Go back to product research. Red light therapy. Nope. Go back. Oh, I just did there. All right, here it is. Typing in red light therapy. Click search, and then we're kind of just going through the list again. 590%. I thought it'd be more, but it is kind of niche. Like, who the heck's gonna go out just look at a red light all day? Hey, if it works, it works. I haven't tried it, so I don't want to, say anything a little crazy. But again, this is where our high ticket items are at, because this red light stuff, when it comes to the face and fixing your face like Botox, that's where a lot of the real money is. And when there's not that many items that are regulated on eBay, you can make a significant amount of money. We're sold in the last 24 hours. People want this. A weight pad. No way. An eye mask. I've seen these before. 145 sold. This is the one that we saw at the beginning of the video. And then another one, 26 sold. And she just looks like she's having a great time. And then last but not least, I was just like, okay, when I was a kid, what did you want? Oh, I wanted this cool Nerf gun, or that. I was like, oh, military. So again, like I said, when you're searching, a lot of the times when you're doing the product research, just going military, bam. He's going with like one broad keyword. You see, this has actually had the highest sell-through rate out of all of them. And it could be because the keyword's so broad, most likely. And again, there is like two people dominating this. Really just one person, 22% ownership. We can do a reverse competitor analysis on them right here in this tool. That's going to be for another day, but you can totally do that. And we could see right off the gate, U.S. military ready-to-eat meals. Almost 400 sales, $1,900. Wait, they're selling this for $1,900? No, and for a whole pallet. That's crazy. So you could buy a whole pallet if you wanted. How nice. So yeah. All in all, that's kind of the whole deal with this tool. There is a lot of things you can find. And then again, there's training, there's tutorials. But in my research, what I found is going broad is the best thing you can do. So instead of night vision, maybe I could have just typed in night, or I could have just typed in vision. And then all of a sudden, you're going to find these amazing products that you would have never thought you'd find before. But that's it for this video. If you need any help selling on eBay or launching a product, finding a product, we specialize in it. Links right in the description to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of BHP Consulting Group, signing out.